So here's my transmission mounts. Those are brand new. Everything's bolted in correctly the way it's supposed to be. Here's underneath my stick shift. This way to my top of this, that's my engine. We're just looking straight up. So anyways, nothing in here. We got a new strut, a new, see there, you can see I greased that. I got a new coil spring, new upper lower ball joint. I got to fix that boot on that ball joint, but upper lower grease coming out, rubber bumper there, rubber bumper there. I've greased all these. Now I got a motor mount. Let me see if I can get around over here. Where I'm hearing the noise is like right in here. Somewhere in this area. And I did find that some bolts was pulled through along here. So I tightened those down. But I don't see anything underneath. You see bolts right there. I haven't resealed this, but I thought that was broken welds right there. It's actually sealer. So there's no broken weld there. It's all sealer. That just, they sealed the two panels together. As you can see, it's just panels sealed, and they sealed it and then they rubbed it on the outside, you know, to keep the silicone in there. I've redid all the bolts in here. Here's the front of the vehicle. Everything's good on the brakes. All new bushings on my torsion bar. All the way over there, the orange and the black. Here's my steering stabilizer. There's nothing really loose on any of that. And there's nothing loose on this. There's my body mount right there. There's nothing wrong with that. It's all good. It's nothing. It's not rusted through. Nothing. The rivets are all solid right there. This is the other side of the upper control arm, and then the lower control arm right here. There's nothing loose. I can shake everything around. There's nothing moving. Ball joints are all good. The steering stabilizer is good. Everything's torqued. I do have a rubber mount right there. That's my motor mount. And you can see the rubber on it's pretty shitty, so excuse my language. So I'm going to replace that. They should be here tomorrow. And the other side looks fine. You know, that's what that is right there. And then there's this side. So that is bad, but I don't think that's the noise. And there's nothing on this. It's a new steering box. Everything on there is good. There's nothing moving. It just feels like you just hear the screw. I looked up inside here. This is underneath my heater core. There's nothing in there that's cracked, causing issues. I've tried to figure out anything that I could come up with. So, nothing. I mean, sheet metal, glues and stuff, but right here's a popping, and this has been, it's like they've mangled this before. But there's nothing on that that's causing the noise either. And it's all pretty solid. So anyways, that's where I'm at. I mean, I just don't see anything. Everything's solid. That's that. So let me show you one more spot in here. So when you go down here, this is the doghouse. I thought maybe this here was broke, you know, where that down is there, and it's fine. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. Rivets are all good. Nothing, you know, the motor mount's solid. The control arm, bolts and brackets, they're all good right there. Nothing's loose. It's just, don't know. It's crazy. Welds are all good up in here. There's nothing you can see anywhere that could cause that kind of a noise or that kind of problem. I have an exhaust leak there, and I think on one on the other side, I'm gonna probably cut that pipe further down, mount that solid, and then I'll be able to find a different way to silence the lower part. All the sheet metal, it's all good. There's nothing underneath it to be concerned with. So I don't know. That's where it's at.